iHarmony Gold iphinde yaqinisa ubudlelwane bayo nenkampani yakwa-Enactus kwiphulo lophuhliso lwezakhono zolutsha elijolise ekuxhobiseni abafundi bakwidyunivesithi ngezakhono zoburhwebi ngaphaya kokugqiba izifundo zabo. Le nkqubo idibanise ndawonye iidyunivesithi ezingaphezulu kwama-20 kukhuphiswano lokuvelisa izinto ezintsha kwezoshishino obulibanjelwe eSandton ngaphambili namhlanje. Kanti ke abafundi babonise khona izimvo zabo zoburhwebi kwiqela labakhokeli boshishino.
Imayini yegolide iHarmony siqhubekele phambili nokwenza imizamo yokuthuthukisa intsha njengoba ke kulokhu ihlanganyele neEnactus ukucija intsha ngamakhono.
We as Harmony believe that youth development is one of the most important investments we can make in South Africa's future. Our partnership with Enactus aligns with our commitment to education, skills development, entrepreneurship and economic inclusion. Through Enactus, we support young people who are developing practical skills to social and economic challenges while building the leadership and entrepreneurial skills needed to drive long-term growth and job creation. Mnguni, you agree with me that we do need more jobs in South Africa.
Izinhlaka bezingxenye yalolu hlelo zithi ke kubhekwe ukuthi luhambe ibanga elide ekuthuthukiseni intsha.
What we try to do is business leadership, business acumen, financial literacy. We also train them about how to be responsible, how to be innovative in their approach, because you need to address a specific challenge, especially socio-economic challenges in society. So we offer them the opportunity to chase the sustainable development goals. So all of our enterprises need to speak to the SDGs that they address.
Issues around the youth is really at the heart of our work as MTNSA Foundation. We build programs that addresses the youth unemployment as issues. One of the programs that we are doing actually is really the skills program, which really seeks to support our youth with so much demand-led digital skills that they require to really fulfill, and to become future ready.
Kanti komunye wezitshudeni uthi ke kufanele uzazi ukuthi uhlose ini ukuze ke uyophonsa umbalane namhla uphothula izifundo zakho.
I've learned that for you to start an enterprise or a business, you need to compile your documents and everything. Because imagine now going into a workspace and you don't know how to do a business plan, a business model. So I've learned all the things that come with a business, and also that resilience and persistence do help you.
iHarmony Gold Mine kanye neEnactus bathi basazoqhubeka nokubambisana nakuba sebeneminyaka ecishe ifinyelele ama-20 bebambisene. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Miyeni ngeseSandton.